This is my 2001 Yamaha GP800R. There are two sets of fuel filters on this jet ski. First is the main filter that's like kind of under the hood. That's just getting the big nasty chunks that come out of the fuel tank. I'll be showing you how to replace that filter in this video. Also, in the carburetor, there's actually two little screen filters. If you want to learn how to do those, you're gonna have to look at my carburetor disassembly video. But to get to the main filter, open up your little front compartment here, and then pull this box out, this basin, and then you want to look underneath right here. There's your fuel filter. I have one here ready to go. You can purchase it off my Amazon account, that'd be helpful, but otherwise get it just about anywhere. And let's get this thing replaced. Okay, so to get this filter removed, you need to take this little rubber piece right here and push it off over the edge there. Now the filter is just hanging inside, just held up by the lines. We'll cut the zip ties and get the filter out. Alright, then all you gotta do is pull this little rubber part off and put the new filter in its place. Notice it has the little up marker right there and then another arrow to indicate the direction of flow. Alright, so we'll just reattach it and put new zip ties on, make sure everything's secure. Alright, as you can see, the new filter's in place, hung on its little hanger with its little isolator. Got our new zip ties to hold the hoses on there. Everything should be good to go. Might crank a little hard the first time, or it might die at some point too. Just keep with it and it should be fine. Thanks for watching. While I have it here on the table, you can see all the crap that was down in the bottom of this filter. Obviously something got inside it. Might have to take this apart and take a look. Kind of looks like dirt, I would say. Hard to say for sure, but it doesn't really feel like metal or rust or anything. I don't know really where that would come from. It feels just like dirt, just like hard, sandy type garbage. So anyway, that's what we got going on. You can see basically what it's going to catch based on that filter size. Anything smaller than this that gets through, that'll get caught in your carburetor. If you want to know how to take the carburetors apart, clean those little screens, and or replace them, probably is a better choice. Take a look at this video. Thanks for watching.